Good afternoon, sir. Nag-sell po ako noong December 20 until now, di ko pa na-receive. And this is regarding sa comment about sa post natin about sa G funds. And yun nga, since nag-holiday, baka yun nga naipit, may mga ganong kasing pangyayari, no? And the system is not perfect. And you can check din kung pumasok na sa minsan kasi hindi mo mapapansin, no? You can check the transaction history. But pag wala talaga, ayun nga, there's an allotted time kasi dyan usually the transaction date, the first day kung kailan ka nag-transact, and then there's 5 business days. And since sunod-sunod nga yung mga holidays, baka naipit lang. And ayun, baka working na sila on your transaction. Pero ayun nga, if wala pa rin, may mga contact details dyan for sure. So you can check it out dun sa platform, sa app natin. And yun, you can contact them via email, or you can also call them. So yun lang.